I'm gonna show you our THM Trim Healthy Mama meal prep. This is chicken thighs with skin. And we went to Costco and got these. You can see here, and there's some more here. And I'm preparing them in our George Foreman grill. There, it's getting prepared. And I'm just adding salt, a little bit of salt. That's all I'm adding. And my husband doesn't want to eat the skin, so I made a batch in here without the skin. And these ones has the skin on. These ones don't have the skin on. And this is our meal prep for Trim Healthy Mama. This is chicken. We got this from Costco, and I took out all the chicken, and I am going to make all of these, and I'm gonna put them in freezer bags, Ziploc bags like these big ones, and I'm gonna freeze them. My husband, my son, and we're all gonna have these throughout these days, these weeks. I don't know how long this will last, because this is the first time we are doing this after a long time. We used to do this, and I don't remember how long it lasted, and it was different amounts of chicken at different times. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. Hopefully it'll last us a month at least. So I'm gonna keep in track, and this is how I prepare our Trim Healthy Mama meal or meals, and do my meal planning for the week and for the month. And this is how we are doing this, so we are on a budget. Thank you. Take care. If you like our recipes, please like our recipes and share and subscribe. Take care. Kisses. Mwah.